Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan, and here basically we are discussing about the GDP contribution of each and every city. Basically. In this, basically we are discussing basically about the one topic that is the very dangerous topic actually. That is the future basically process. That is the birth process. Basically. In this, basically we have discussed that the birth process basically which is basically going to happen, that basically is connected with the future creation basically. That is basically connected with the future creation. In this basically we discuss that basically each and every foods basically items, vegetables basically which is getting produced, that is basically produced on the base of the birth which is going to come basically. That is the 1 lakh birth basically. And like this basically the 1 lakh city 1 lakh birth basically which is going to come. So like this basically this is also basically a little bit about the GDP basically you can say. And basically the growth process basically always basically works according to the things also basically. Like this the growth development process basically you can say that that's connect with the future creation process basically. And the future creation process basically that all the nuclear power company, energy companies, this all basically companies do the produce base. So like this basically these all are the production basically group basically who do the production basically. Production means of the human source basically. Here basically we should not give the name of the product like production basically. We can give that basically the creation basically of the human souls basically. The human souls basically creation basically has done by the nuclear power company with the help of the certain group basically, with the help of the certain groups basically, who basically are the root of taking care of the root of the each and every human souls basically. So like this basically you can say that the human souls basically which is getting generated, like this basically you can say the human souls basically which is created, which is basically on creation by the nuclear power company, that basically are the main group basically. And this basically says that basically that human souls creation group basically have to take care of each and everything basically. They have to pass the data, and like this basically if few data are not getting passed, then basically the certain group basically, for that basically the project manager is must basically, he is supposed to coordinate with each and everything basically. He is not supposed to do the work basically, he is not supposed to prepare the human souls basically, but he has to prepare the human souls basically data basically. That human source data is supposed to go to this all location and this all area basically. That it's food industry, each and every industries, there basically the data has to go. The data basically is supposed to go to this all area basically. So that basically the only project coordinator basically only can do. So that is the project manager, which is basically the example which basically we are taking. So like this basically the project manager basically work basically contains the GDP contribution also. And in this basically the contribution says that basically the that each and every human souls creation company basically you can say basically, it's not company basically you can say, because company mostly basically doesn't design this basically, because it's connected with lots of things basically. It's connected with the caste, it's connected with the Ramayana, it's connected with the Mahabharata, it's connected with the Krishna Bhagwan God, it's connected with the lots of basic Quran, it's connected with Bible. So mostly basically it's basically different groups only basically creates this, who basically are connected with each and every basically group, each and every basically nationality basically also you can say, region also basically you can say, or basically caste also you can say. Like this basically each and every data basically are connected. That group only basically can create the human souls basically data. That group only basically can create the human souls data, because that human souls data basically that's why basically the project manager post here basically it's must basically. That's why the project manager post is must, so that basically if any of the basically stuff basically is missing basically, then basically he can easily able to connect this data, and then basically he can tell that basically this data is missing, can you please add that data, like this basically. But he should basically must have the each and every information, otherwise basically how basically, if he can't get the detailed information, then at least basically the summary information he can get, that basically these all are the areas like food industry, like vegetable industry, like fruits industry. They should must basically get this all data basically, that is the data of the 1 lakh child which is going to come basically. So like this basically data basically, at least the data basically they can entire detail basically data is not required, but at least some data basically is required, so that basically the project manager can do the verification that basically the birth which is going to come basically, for that basically this data are basically like this basically, each and everything basically are connected. The GDP is fully connected with all data also basically, you can say like this all data also basically, you can say like this basically. The GDP say that basically the contribution of the basically each and every cities, each and every states, each and every areas, each and every states, each and every countries basically, that also you can say. So each and every the World Health Organization and the World Bank basically gives the and they basically gives the GDP, that this is the basically your GDP basically, growth development basically, you can say like that basically. And basically your future creation is basically this whole thing basically. So they do basically the creation according to that basically. So like this basically, in this basically we saw that basically the how the basically the the simple looking thing basically, that is the human souls basically, how basically the each and every industry basically are connected with this basically, and they basically 100% might be doing this way only basically, because it's a future creation basically, it's a future creation, so they 100% they might be doing that basically. That's why the basically the India country is having 200 crore population, big software companies are there, big industrials basically are there, big Kings Group basically are there, big level of nuclear power companies basically like ONGC, Reliance, IPCL, and Ames Oxygen like company basically are there basically. Then 100% they would be having this all data na basically. Without basically data basically, how they can basically create the incomplete materials basically. So 100% like Reliance, IPCL, this all group 100% they basically have the data basically. Otherwise basically how they can create the data basically, the perfect data which is the 100% basically. So like this basically the 100% data basically. So like this is also basically about the GDP basically, and GDP basically says this also basically, GDP basically says this also basically. But here the one thing is basically always supposed to be clear that one country basically can't do anything, one city basically can't do anything basically, one person basically can't do anything basically, the team basically only creates the thing basically. So GDP city creation, GDP, one project manager can do each and everything, but he can't work basically, he can't basically do the work, he can only basically do the coordination basically. If he will work, then basically who will do the coordination basically, who will basically going to do this whole coordination. So that's why basically the perfect plan is required, that is a project management plan basically, which says that basically this all basically is supposed to be there basically. There should be one diagram also basically, and that diagram basically must be connected with the live data basically. Each and everything basically is required, and that diagram basically must be connected with the live data, that how basically the project manager can know the each and every process basically of progress basically of each and every task basically, which is done, which is not done. So basically it can be easily able to track each and everything basically, and then basically he can say that basically yes basically the each and every stuff basically which we are basically doing the planning, the GDP, the each and every stuff basically which we basically had defined the task basically, according to that basically the stuff basically are working. In next video also basically we are going to discuss little bit about the GDP only, and after that basically the topic is power, then after that basically the satellite groups connected with the city. Like this basically there are lots of points basically which basically we are going to discuss in next video basically.